So these three sizes. I think the size for the big one is 1.68 meters, and the medium size is 1.48 meters, and this one 1.03 meters, around 1 meter. This one, the small one. So let's introduce one by one the size. Okay, now let's start with the small one, 1.03 meters. This one. So the trunk, let's have a close view to the trunks. And the leaves color, like blocky white. And the bottom here, the base at the fake soil with moss effect. Now this one is number 32. So let's go to the medium size of this one, 148 cm, with a special trunk, 1.48 cm. And this one, number 33. Okay, next one, the bigger size, 1.68 cm. Now with the trunk, it is straight one. Okay, it is high. I will take it here. $1.08 this one. 1.68 meters, sorry, this one. And usually this one, our packing just 2 pieces in a carton, 2 pieces in a carton. So I think it's a nice packing for this one, with natural painting on the trunk here. You can see it is a straight one, and then have some branches here. Nice painting. And eucalyptus, always very popular, these leaves. Okay, now I will give you a number. This one, 34